Let me walk you through what manual transcript reading actually costs your practice versus automation. Manual process. Pull the transcript, scan for transaction codes, cross-reference each code with IRS documentation or your memory, check dates, amounts, and sequences, summarize for the client. Average time, 15 to 20 minutes per transcript. If you are a CPA billing $200 an hour and you review 15 transcripts a week, that is 5 hours of work. At your rate, that is $1,000 a week in billable time spent on interpretation that software can handle in seconds. Automated process. Upload the transcript PDF. The parser extracts every code, date, and amount. It checks the sequences, flags issues, and generates a plain English report. Time, under 30 seconds. You still review the output. You still apply your professional judgment, but the 15 minutes of code translation is gone.
Over a year, that is 260 hours, and over $50,000 in recovered billable time for a tool that costs $19 per 10 analyses. The math is not close. Transcript Tax Monitor Pro is in the description.